Hey Gokster, Angus here, and you asked us to put up a video response of our national anthem with an English translation for you. Problem is, Scotland doesn't really have one. It has an unofficial one. The unofficial one is Scots Wha Hae by Robert Burns. It's been used for centuries as our unofficial anthem. Recently, since the 60s, Flower of Scotland's been used in our as our sporting national anthem, but it's not quite right, because Scots Wha Hae is the actual one that should be being used. There's a whole history as to why we haven't got one. I'm not going to go into it in this video, but I've sung it for you. I'm not the greatest singer. I've probably got it out of time as well, but yeah, enjoy. Scots Wha Hae wi Wallace bled, Scots wha Bruce has often led. Welcome to your gory bed, or to victory. Now's the day and now's the hour, see the front o' battle lower, see approach proud Edward's power, chains and slavery. Wha will be a traitor knave, wha will fill a coward's grave, wha sae base as be a slave, let him turn and flee. Wha for Scotland's king and law, freedom's sword will strongly draw, Freeman stand or Freeman fall, let him on wi me. By oppression's woes and pains, by your sons in servile chains, we will drain our dearest veins, but they shall be free. Lay the proud usurpers low, tyrants fall in every foe, liberties in every blow, let us do or die. Now the English translation will be down below in the description box. Cheers, see ya.